Today I am going to be doing over here. And it's really windy today, so I just don't know where to put you guys. Oh, snap! This is windy. Snap. My shoe is down. Oh, snap. It's blowing me! The wind blowing. Not water in it. And it's still blowing away. I'm putting everything everywhere is over in the rocks. Because if it's over here, it will blow away. I need some socks. We're not sure. Why am I laughing? Why am I laughing? This is tricky. I'm laughing so hard right now. I don't know. I don't know why though. My little niece is getting her hair braided, so that's why she's out here with me getting all the stuff. You're going to stay right there because I don't want to touch you. Bottle. Put this. Try to get all the stuff out of the grass on here. We're going to put on some real shoes. Because I'm going to have a lot of shoes. We're going to have some real shoes. I was laughing so hard, and I don't know why. My feet feel soft. I'm put on some boots. The boots help. Boots are the best thing to wear. Uh-huh. That's a fry? That's a fry?
No, it's a fly.
That's what I said. All right.
Where's the bug going?
So preparing. I do got these, so that's gonna be good. Y'all didn't fail. I'm not bothering. Now I can go in the grass because there's stickers in the grass and I don't want to get into my Crocs. We have another bad situation. The gray car don't got a cover on it. It's gone now. The gray car don't.
You don't see it at all?
I don't, no. I just see it in the gate. Oh my god. I said no.
It's on the side.
Where? Cause I didn't see it. We're just looking in there. I should be alright. You want to go do it? I get it. Could I get it? Mom, can I get it? Mom. Oh, you can really
How what?
What the?
You the last one in the silver car?
Bro, the windows are down. Bro, the windows. Who leaves the windows down? Who does that? Somebody who's dumb. That's like, who does this? Somebody could have robbed us. Ah! It's moving. Ah! The cover is under the car. This is hard. This is hard. This might be kidding. Should you roll? The cover's under the wheel. Woo! Oh! The cover under the wheel. Okay. I know. I was just telling you. But where the push one? Lionel calling you. Lionel calling you. Lionel! Dang, this is hard. I can't even get it. You sure? At least I grabbed it. You just. Oh. The water clean now. Got it. Is the cover on the side of the post? Got it? No, it's not. I saw a black thing, but it wasn't the cover. It was just a little piece. You push this all the way down. Bro, people look at me. Alright. Alright. Gotta go back on. That couldn't be in the house. I'll see you okay. Can't open the door. Can't everything go right. Dang, something fell off. I just picked those up. I'm gonna stick it into the grass. Stick it over there. Ew, there's a bone. I'm not picking that up. It's a bone from a chicken. Chicken wing. Ew. Let's get all these pieces, these red things off the grass. This. I already got 2, now 3 because I got this one in my hand. Last night was a blast. A baby king, she was so cute. Okay. Let me pick up this chair. Well, I'm going to do all the rest stuff. Like I said. I'm going to do all the rest stuff. I'm going to do the trash. And then all Ew, there's a big sticker bush. Ew, what is that? I'm getting what it is. I'm not glad about that anymore. I got stickers on the bottom of my feet. I hear it. Before I go to the house, I have to take all of these off. That's the bottom of the shoe. Where is Wendy? Horrible stuff. Like last time was a blast, so then now we can get all of these up. I don't have to, but I want to. I could have had this tomorrow. I want to play. I keep looking back. Just make sure that everything's not flying. It's a Spider-Man. I know it's Spider-Man. It just flew back in the grass. Alright. There's only one more red thing. I don't know what these are called. Something on the shoe. Now I gotta check what it is. I'm like, what? Oh, not the flag. Wait, wrong. Oh, the door. Is it on bike right now? I don't even know what it. Oh! Yeah. Look at that. I'm scared now. That was horrifying. That was crazy. I hated that. I'm scared now. Let me put this red thing. Other red thing. Why is it over here? Oh, let me get this out real quick. What is this? A basket? How to beat the basket? Hot dust. That's not good. I'm gonna put some stuff in there so I can save down. Like some of the little stuff that I find, like the Spider-Man. Make sure that don't fly away. Alright. Found a chair. A lawn chair. In the grass. And the lawn chair in the bag. Let's put this out here where the other one is. The other two is. Cold out here. Oh, the whole big trash can top and a trash can. I saw somebody trash can fly away. Oh, here go a bottle. It's a plastic bottle. A bird just flew, and I flinched because I didn't know what it was. What was that black paper? It was a bird. It was a bird. My hood's gonna go off. I know it. There's glass everywhere. My dad's favorite little holder thingy broke. And he didn't pick it all up. Like, bro, pick it all up. Ooh, I'm scared. I don't know why. It's just sitting there. You never know what could be in there. Oh, there's something. Still holding it by my thumb. My hood's gonna come off. Like I told you guys. don't think I can put this in here. Yeah, it's gonna fly away again. Now this is somewhere. This. Okay, I got one more red thing here, but I don't want to get it because this is stickers. I don't want to get stickers on here. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm sticking over here. I'm scared. I'm stepping on stickers right now. If you don't know what stickers are, they're sharp things, and then if you get them in your foot, they hurt. And they're like when your grass is dead, they form in your grass. I don't mean my grass is dead. And that's the only bad thing. I'm still going. My sticker just came on. All those things on my shoes that I showed you, those are stickers, okay? This is what the grass is looking like. It's dead. This is a sticker thingy here, and the red thing was over there. These are all sticker things. All the yellow roots, those are house stickers on them. I'm gonna just call them sticker roots. On my whole table, got a chair, a bucket. I want to get this trash can over here because it's been blowing in the wind for a long time. A sock. Somebody's sock. It's not ours. Nobody lost a sock. I got the trash can. Just walking around. Really flip the camera. Ooh, it's got a lot of stuff in it. What I mean by stuff, I mean by like dust and I don't know, dust and smoke and stuff like that. Dust and dirt. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Just couldn't get it out. There's a water bottle. Oh, another bottle. I don't know what these are, but I'm gonna show you. Hey, that's a big sticker. I don't know what these are. Santer Home Mostol. Is this in Spanish? I don't know. Oh, got a whole bunch of little white trash can fill. I scared the living life out of me. It's not that windy right now. It's getting more and more. The Cowboys are playing right now. I hope they're winning. The orange bucket. I was going to show this bucket. Here. The orange bucket. I'm surprised this blue bucket thingy didn't have it. You know, you could tip over. It's kind of heavy though. That's heavy. I don't know how that tipped over. Now I know where all my balls went. They were hidden. Let me get this chair out. I'm just gonna pick it up. What the hell is that? Okay. I'm gonna pick up this other one over here. Then I'm gonna get all the other stuff with the rocks, where the rocks are. Oh, I'm not touching that. Those are the stickers right there. Touching that. There's a sticker root stuck. Oh, cool. Do you guys hear that? I'm leaving tracks of stickers. Yeah, I see one. Let's get these off. They didn't come off. Now I'm in the rocks. The rocks don't have any stickers, so they should get some of the stickers off. Yep, I got some of them off. The rocks are fun. I got swings, got valves, got a whole chance of stuff here. this. I'm surprised this hobby flew away. Because it's not really just here. So yeah. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that we don't. I see like a blue paper. I've never seen that. No way. I think that's all of the stuff. Like the chairs and the table and the grass and the mat. So I think that's it. So I am just going to stop the video here. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Put on the post whenever I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!